Aloha kākou. Mahalo for your interest in Keiki Āina's very own parent education program, Kūlia I Ka Nuʻu. Kūlia I Ka Nuʻu means to strive for the highest summit. We believe that the greatest journey begins with you, the parent, in the home. We align ourselves with the Montessori philosophy, which instructs us to follow, watch, and observe the child. Join us as we meet online once a week and connect with other parents around the island who are raising Keiki. We offer you 24 weeks of curriculum covering a variety of topics from Hawaiian values, ʻōlelo no ʻeau passed down from our kupuna, with accompanying Bible scriptures to help you in the home. We also work on Hawaiian language pronunciation to increase comfort in speaking Hawaiian out loud and teach Hawaiian words and phrases for you to use in the home as well as in the larger community. Every week, we discuss tips to help you succeed as an ohana, ranging from the importance of family meals to setting up bedtime routines. You will be taught and shown 5 Montessori-focused activities to do, centering on school readiness skills of literacy, practical life, math, social studies, art, and also Ike Hawaii, or Hawaiian knowledge. All of our curriculum and educational materials will be provided to you with easy step-by-step instructions to follow. You can expect to have 4 to 5 different lessons each week. We hope you leave every class knowing that not only are you a great parent, but that you are also your child's first and best teacher. Mahalo nui for taking the time to view our program. Aloha, ahui ho.